Have you ever looked at a solar panel system and wondered how much power it produces? Not just on paper, but day to day. That's where declared net capacity, or DNC, comes in. Declared net capacity refers to the maximum continuous electrical power that a solar panel system can produce and deliver to the grid under normal operating conditions. Unlike peak capacity, which indicates the highest possible output under ideal conditions, declared net capacity provides a realistic measure of what your system can consistently supply. This measurement accounts for factors like ambient temperature, efficiency losses, and operational constraints, offering a more accurate representation of your system's performance. Understanding your system's declared net capacity is vital for several reasons, including 1. It helps with accurate energy planning. 2. It keeps you compliant with grid regulations. And 3. It gives you a clearer picture of your system's value when selling energy back to the grid. It's important to distinguish between DNC and installed capacity. While installed capacity refers to the total potential output of your solar panels under ideal conditions, declared net capacity reflects the actual sustained output you can expect. This distinction is crucial for realistic energy planning and reporting. Want to get a clearer picture of your solar system's true performance? Use EvoEnergy's free solar panel calculator to see how much energy your system could realistically generate and how much money and CO2 you could save.